This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Hector Ordonez. Seller is very motivated to sell. Owner is absentee and cannot manage the business. Restaurant is very well located, in the middle of shops and close to highways. Good operating systems, strong employees, great recipes and delicious food make this restaurant a winner. Buyer can continue concept or change it. Completely remodeled and equipped with the best tools to run the business adequately. It has a lot of traffic and many returning customers. This is a great opportunity for anyone who wants to own a business for the first time. Sales revenue consistently increased, all accounting documentation is ready to go. Menu, food costs and training are available. Beer and wine license on premises. For more information, review the details below or contact Hector Ordonez at 305-271-4350.